Hello, my name is Myra Cageta, your Pinay English teacher here on YouTube, and welcome to another English tutorial video. Today, we're going to have another pronunciation exercise. As I said in my previous video, this kind of activity is especially relevant to those who work in the BPO industry, sa mga call center agents, o kaya para sa mga ESL trainers just like me. ESL means English as a Second Language, or para sa'yo na gustong i-practice ang kanyang pronunciation ng English words. In this video that I uploaded last week, I gave you 10 words to practice. I also used an online English dictionary so that we could listen to how those words are pronounced in American English and in British English. At nakakatawa dahil meron sa inyong nagsuggest or nagbigay pa ng ilang mga words na sa palagay ninyo ay nami-mispronounce o hindi nabibigkas ng tama ng karamihan sa atin. So I decided to create another video about English words that are commonly mispronounced by Filipinos. Today, we're going to practice our pronunciation of 15 random English words that we think a lot of Filipinos mispronounce. And I'll be using an online English dictionary, that is Cambridge Dictionary, para mapakinggan natin kung paano sila i-pronounce in American English or in British English. But you can use other online English dictionaries if you want. Ang importante ay mapakinggan ninyo kung paano sila i-pronounce in English. I'll be focusing more on American English today, okay? Are you ready for the exercise? Let's start. Let's listen to how it is pronounced in American English.
Hour.
In British English?
Hour.
Balik tayo sa American English.
Hour.
That's hour. 2 syllables. Hour, not R. 1 R. We don't say R, but it should be hour. At mas lalong masagwa kapag sasabihin nating Rs, like 2 Rs, 3 Rs, 4 Rs. In English, ang ibig sabihin ng Rs ay ass or puwet. Number 2. Let's listen to how it is pronounced in American English.
Advocacy.
British English.
Advocacy.
American English ulit.
Advocacy.
That's advocacy, not advocacy, okay? Not advo, but advocacy. You put the stress on the first syllable. Ad, and then v, yung hindi a, hindi o, advocacy. Number 3. In American English.
Sewing machine.
British English.
Sewing machine.
Okay. American English ulit.
Sewing machine.
That is sewing machine. So, not sewing machine. I used to pronounce this as sewing machine. Good thing, meron nang turo sa akin. So, salamat sa'yo sa nagturo sa akin. It's sew. Sewing machine. Not machine, but machine. Sewing machine. Next. Let's listen to how it is pronounced in American English.
Southern.
British English.
Southern.
American English ulit.
Southern.
Not southern. The right pronunciation of that word in English is
Southern.
Number 5. American English.
Colleague.
In British English.
Colleague.
American English ulit.
Colleague.
That's colleague, not colleague. Okay? Inisip natin siguro kasi co-worker. Co-worker is just another word for colleague. Okay? So, karamihan sinasabi colleague kasi nga co-worker. But the right pronunciation of that in English is colleague. It's ka, not co. Next. In American English, it's pronounced like this.
Tomb.
British English.
Tomb.
American English ulit.
Tomb. Tomb.
So that's tomb, not tomb, not tomb with a B at the end. Actually, it's silent B. It's tomb. Generally, when words end in MB, the B becomes silent. So we say climb, comb, tomb, bomb. Number 7. American English.
Schedule. Schedule.
British English.
Schedule. Schedule.
Schedule in British English. Balik tayo sa American English.
Schedule. Schedule.
So that's schedule. Okay, schedule, not schedule. Karamihan sa atin, binibigkas ang word na yan as schedule, schedule. But it's actually schedule. Or in British English, schedule. American English,
Schedule.
it's schedule. Number 8. This is how it is pronounced in American English.
Margarine. Margarine.
In British English,
Margarine. Margarine.
okay, in American English ulit.
Margarine. Margarine.
So that's margarine. Okay, hindi margarine or margarine. Ang importanteng malaman natin, ito ay pinopronounce or binibigkas as margarine, not margarine. In British English, it's margarine. And in American English, it's margarine. Next. American English.
Indigent. Indigent.
In British English,
Indigent. Indigent.
American English ulit.
Indigent.
That's indigent, not indigent. Mas lalong naging common ang word na to nung nag-umpisa ang pandemic, the indigent sector, ika nga ng ilan sa mga reporters. But the right pronunciation of the word is
Indigent.
next. In American English,
Menu. Menu.
in British English,
Menu. Menu.
American English ulit,
Menu.
that's menu, not menu, but menu. Next. In American English, this is how it is pronounced.
Confirm. Confirm.
Confirm. In British English,
Confirm. Confirm.
American English ulit,
Confirm. Confirm.
that's confirm. Confirm. Hindi not confirm. Hindi siya long E, kung hindi confirm. Alam ko, meron sa atin na alam nila kung paano ang tamang pronunciation ng word na yan, pero niloloko nila, binibiro lang nila yung word, at minsan ang pagkakabigkas nila ay confirm. And we know what that means here in the Philippines. But anyway, the right pronunciation of the word is
Confirm.
confirm. Next. In American English,
Intestine. Intestine.
in British English,
Intestine. Intestine.
okay, American English ulit,
Intestine.
that's intestine, not intestine. Okay, not intestine, it should be intestine. Stress on the second syllable, intestine. And yung last sound ay in, hindi in. Hindi siya tensed, siya ay laxed. In, intestine.
Intestine.
Intestine. Number 14. Let's listen to how it is pronounced in American English.
Often. Often.
In British English,
Often. Often.
American English ulit,
Often.
that's often. That's the common pronunciation of the word. Pero pwede nyo ring sabihin often with a T sound. Next. This is the name of a famous dictionary at marami sa atin ang nalilito, nagkakagulo at nagtatanong kung ano nga ba talaga ang tamang pronunciation ng pangalan ng dictionary na yan. May mga nagsasabi dapat daw Merriam-Webster. Meron namang mga tao na ang sabi nila dapat daw ay Merriam-Webster. Pero ano nga ba ang tamang pronunciation ng pangalan ng dictionary na yan? Let's listen to how the editors of that dictionary pronounce the name of the dictionary.
Editor, I'm Peter Sokolowski, editor-at-large at Merriam-Webster.
The editor. I'm Emily Brewster, an associate editor at Merriam-Webster.
Merriam-Webster's word of the year is determined by two simple Merriam-Webster.com.
Merriam-Webster.com.
The way I see it, it should be Merriam, Mary, Merriam, Merriam-Webster. So like and share this video with your friends if you think that you learned something from it today. You can also click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. Do not forget to click the notification right next to it so you'll be notified as soon as I upload a new video.